What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a simple lighting tutorial. Now a friend of mine, Cam, who's a very talented graphic designer, mentioned he wants to start making more videos to share his knowledge with all of you on either YouTube or Facebook Lives and all these different platforms. But one of the things he's been struggling with is lighting. Now this can happen to a lot of people and it can often be one of the number one reasons you don't hit record and you don't start producing videos is because you're intimidated about lighting. So we're going to go over 3 simple methods of how you guys can light your videos and more importantly get in front of that camera and hit record. Alright, starting with light source number 1, and that is the one that's always available, it's free, and that is the sun. Natural window light. So all I've done right now is I've parked myself beside a window, opened the blinds, hit record, and that's what we're doing right now. Don't assume that you need to go buy a whole bunch of fancy gear just to start recording videos. Often it's quite simple and it's best to start out just with natural light, get yourself more comfortable with speaking to the camera, and go from there. Just evolve, get these iterations over time. Perfection will come way over time, don't rush it, enjoy the process. So first off, window light. Now let's suppose you guys work long hours, your only time that you have to make videos is kind of the evening. There's still ways you can light your videos, such as right now because it's dark out, and I'm going to show you guys 2 ways you can do that. Starting with number 1, which is the way I'm lighting my video right now. I have a Godox continuous LED video light to my right, and that has a big 36-inch deep parabolic softbox on it, which is casting nice even light on me. And being in the positioning that I have it right now, it's not bleeding too much onto the background. So you'll see that I have a lamp behind me with a hue bulb, and that allows me to change the color of the ambient background just to give some more visual interest. So I'm going to switch cameras right now and show you guys a little bit how this looks so that you guys can better understand how to do this at home. Alright, so we're going to switch over to this camera right now, and you'll see that this is the camera here with the monitor, and to my right we have this massive 36-inch diffuser, and on that light stand is a Godox SL60W. This light on Amazon was like $170, I think. Not terribly expensive, and what you get out of it is just unreal. So this is where I'm sitting, and then behind me there is simply a lamp that is tilted at the wall, and that I can change the color of, which gives it that ambient color background. So again, it's not that complicated. There's no need to stress this, you guys. Honestly, it's a really simple setup when you break it down and dissect it. Let's say you don't have a budget for that right now and you just want to get your feet wet in making videos. I'll show you guys an alternative. Alright guys, so this is the 3rd setup. It's not ideal, but again, this is better than just turning on the lights in your room and having shadows under your eyes from an overhead light source. And this is just taking that lamp that I had behind me with the hue bulb, putting it to one side, putting it on either a daylight or a warm light depending on your white balance, and just adding a dynamic light from one direction. So again, this is no diffusion at the moment, it's very harsh, but if you even put up a diffusion panel of some kind or a material to just dampen that a bit, you would see incredible difference as opposed to just turning on your overhead lights and hitting record. So again, this is a cheap option. If you already have a lamp kicking around, it's just so simple. It's a little desk lamp with a bulb that's dimmable. Boom, one side, you've got yourself enough light to make a video. So again, I'm going to switch over to their camera, show you guys how this looks, and go from there. All right, welcome back to this point of view. So again, you'll see the camera here, and there's the big softbox from option 2. And if we go to the left, you will see our lovely lamp that we saw in the previous setup that was behind me. And all this is doing now is just casting light on me at a 45-degree angle to have some nice dynamic shadows. Again, this is the most simple method, alternatively to the Godox method. If you're not looking to spend money off the bat and you just want to start making videos, by all means, throw a lamp up to one side, hit record, and you're off to the races. Alright guys, well hopefully this helps you understand lighting a little bit and allows you to view it from my standpoint and how it doesn't have to be overly complicated or expensive. The biggest thing is just to sit in front of the camera, hit record, get comfortable, and the rest will follow. You will go through iterations over time. So even if you go to a YouTuber that you're a huge fan of and go to their first videos, they're gonna look so different than how they look right now. That's just all part of the process. And Cam, I can't wait to see you start up some more content on graphic design and all of your knowledge. It's going to be a blast to watch, so I'll make sure to add a link to your channel down below so people can also watch for that. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.